Welcome back to a beautiful day here in the UK, guys. Just got a load of little jobs to get through. We've got to get the Triumph gone. We've got to get the Ducati gone. And we just got a few little finishing off jobs to do. And then we can get them on the way and clear a bit of space and crack back on with a Harley Davidson. Only been uploading every other week at the moment, just doing other stuff in between while the weather's nice, as you do. I'm Dino. This is Patrick's Repair Shop. This is my Triumph. That's the rest of the fleet. Let's get some little jobs done, shall we? Right, so I think we'll start by getting the indicators done on the Triumph. Get these old knackered ones off. Already cut the loom to them in the last video. There's a full playlist for this bike, guys. So, bought from a salvage auction. Category N, non-structural. And we've rebuilt it, so you can see that playlist below. One. Two. Right, let's get the new ones in. Swapped out the standard nuts they come with for stainless ones. So that these ones don't go rusty. Let's do the same on this side. And then do a bit of wiring. Just got to whip the rear seat off. You guys have seen me do this a few times. Right, that's the wires all connected up. It's got to get a couple of cable ties around here to tidy it up a bit. Imagine a world without cable ties. Be a nightmare. I've already got some cable ties around the side, tidying the wiring up at the side of the indicators. I suppose the sensible thing to do is have a little check before we put the seat back together. Let's have a little look. That one. That one. Excelente. Right, so what we've got to do on here, guys, is in the last Ducati video, we done the, what do? We done the timing belts, and I left this cover off, and when I turned the ignition on, the seals leaked. So this is not uncommon on these. Oops, bit of fuel. So what I've got, if I can get them in the picture, a couple of genuine Ducati new unions with new seals on. Appeared to be the easiest way to rectify this problem. We've got to get these clips off, which I always hate doing. I might just need to reposition the camera, guys. I've done my favourite trick of sticking you lovely people in the way. Hopefully you can all still see up there. Right, guys, so had a bit of a fight. That's the first one out. And I'll give you a little tip that will help you out. If you need to get this pipe's really strong, holding the union tight, even without a clip. If you've got a pipe like that, just get a little pick underneath it. God, it's so good, I can't even get the new one in. So if you've got a pipe like that and it's stuck, you obviously don't want to damage the pipe. I mean, if it's brittle and had it, then you're probably going to have to replace it. But this one isn't. It's just a real snug fit. And I know you're off camera. I'm just getting a new union in. So get your pick, get a tiny little pick, get it under the pipe when you've got the original union on, and just spray a bit of WD-40 in there or something. Even a bit of brake cleaner would do it for a minute. WD-40 might be better though, would be better. Let it work around the inside. Move your little pick around without damaging the pipe. And that will let you just pull the union off a lot easier. 2 seconds extra work can save you damaging the end of the pipe and save you a whole world of pain, maybe. Probably say, ask me how I know. Right. So, new union. And we can push that on there. Happy days. Now we just got to do the same on this side. Before you do your Jubilee clips up, make sure that the unions are sitting right. Which that one is. This is a stainless Jubilee clip, not like those crimpy ones I just took off, which, yeah, the crimpy ones, they look better. There's no denying it. But they can also be a right pain in the bottom. And nobody likes that. Right, that's that one. And then we've got this plug to go back in. So let's get you guys a bit closer and you can see if it's about to fire a load of fuel everywhere. In fact, you'll know before I do. Right, contact. That looks nice. Do it again. Get a bit of, yeah, that looks good, doesn't it? Right, guys, bit of a shorter one this week, but I think that'll do. It's roasting hot, so I'm going to go and enjoy a little bit of sunshine, I think. So we've got the fuel pipe unions done on the Ducati. We've got the indicators done on the Triumph. The only thing that is left now is to take the Triumph for an MOT, give them both a good detail, which I'll do a video on, and then we can crack on with the Harley, which I know a lot of you are waiting for. And there's another project hanging in the balance as well, something a little bit different for us. So, I'm Dino. Don't forget to hit subscribe. It's completely free of charge. I'd love to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So do that if you can, guys. Loads of motorcycle projects on the way. That's all we do on this channel. So I'm Dino, that's Patch's Repair Shop. These are the projects. Catch you guys next week or maybe the week after. Anyway, enjoy the summer.